Hello, friends! Today we will talk about Tecno Spark 20 Pro, a new smartphone that surprises with its combination of price and capabilities. Let's analyze its main characteristics, features, and find out for whom this smartphone will be an ideal choice. Let's go. Let's start with the design. Tecno Spark 20 Pro has a modern minimalist style with flat edges and smooth lines of the case. There are several bright colors to choose from that will definitely attract attention. The screen here is large, 6.8 inches, with an IPS matrix and full HD plus resolution. The picture is rich and clear, which makes the smartphone great for watching movies, playing games, and surfing the internet. What's inside? Tecno Spark 20 Pro runs on a MediaTek Helio G99 processor, which ensures stable operation in most tasks. Want to play mobile games? This processor will handle even popular titles on medium graphics settings. The RAM is 8 GB, and the built-in memory is 128 and 256 GB. This means that there is enough space for photos, videos, applications, and even TV series in offline mode. Now let's talk about the cameras. On the back panel, there is a triple module. The main 108-megapixel sensor takes high-quality photos even in low-light conditions. There is also a depth sensor and an AI camera for portrait photos with a bokeh effect. The 16-megapixel front camera with AI beautification is an excellent tool for selfies and video calls. The battery here is 5,000 milliamp-hours. This is enough for a whole day of active use. And thanks to the support of 33-watt fast charging, you can quickly replenish the charge if the battery runs out. Tecno Spark 20 Pro runs on Android 14 with the iOS shell. This means that you will get a fresh interface, improved security, and many additional features. Among them are power-saving modes, a gaming mode, and many tools for customizing the interface. So, Tecno Spark 20 Pro is an ideal option for those who are looking for a budget smartphone with decent characteristics. A large screen, a powerful processor, good cameras, and a capacious battery. All this makes it a universal device for work, study, and entertainment. How do you like this smartphone? Write in the comments what you think about Tecno Spark 20 Pro and ask questions if any remain. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new reviews. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.